This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to create a custom LinkedIn profile URL. So I'm right here on my Matt Crawford, my main profile right here on LinkedIn. You might be anywhere on LinkedIn. You might be on the home screen or any of these tabs here, or somewhere knee deep in LinkedIn itself. Wherever you are, you want to click on the Me button right here. So you'll see a picture of yourself for your profile, and then we're going to click on View Profile. Now, there's a few different ways that we can actually do this, but the simplest way, they've made it quite straightforward here. Right at the top right, you'll see public profile and URL, and you'll see that I actually have this /in/Matt A. Crawford. So you'll see the URL itself, the live URL is linkedin.com/in/Matt A. Crawford. So that is already customized. Yours currently, if you're watching this video, might be just a string of text, random text or numbers. So what you'll want to do is you want to click the pen icon right here. This will take you over to this screen, the public profile settings screen. And then again, top right corner, it's kind of hidden away a little bit. It's not too obvious, but you just want to click this pen icon right here. And from there, you can actually change whatever the string of text is after the /in/. So like I say, mine is currently Matt A. Crawford. You will change yours to whatever you want. Note that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100. That's quite a lot. Actually, that's crazy that it's 100, but yeah, they allow 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters, because it is obviously a URL. And once you've actually edited that and you've changed that for what you want, you will click save. I'm not going to change mine right now as I already have it how I want it, but you will click save. And just like that, your custom URL will be active. People and yourself can then navigate to your profile that way. You can share it on your social media, wherever you need to do it. You can then start using that as your new URL whenever you save or share, I should say, your LinkedIn profile. So hopefully you found this video on creating your custom URL on LinkedIn helpful. If you found it useful, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.